Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. You're watching Indian Cooking with Sugandhi. As usual, I have an easy, delicious and healthy recipe for you today. Let's see the ingredients we need today and let's start the cooking. Today we are going to prepare asparagus chicken. It's a Chinese dish with a touch of Indian. So we need asparagus. These are the asparagus sticks. When you buy the asparagus, make sure the tips, these flowers, buds are really nice and firm. Chicken cut into thin, very thin pieces like this. Okay, and wash the chicken nicely. Whenever you buy the chicken, please wash that until the white gluey stuff is gone and the water runs clear. Why I'm telling you to wash is there are a lot of preservatives added to preserve the chicken. Wash it and pad dry it. And I have cornstarch liquid. I just added about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with half a cup of water, and I mixed it real nicely. And this is for the sauce. And red chilies, garlic, and chili sauce. This is homemade chili sauce. Thai chilies, garlic, and salt and oil. Onion, of course. And I have here all the Chinese sauces I'll be using in the cooking. Okay, first I'm going to marinate the chicken, and while the chicken is getting marinated, I'm going to make the sauce. Add some soy sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is like a tenderizer. Add that and mix it well. If you want, you can add some chili sauce to this sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of chili sauce, about half a teaspoon of chili sauce. Mix it well. If you have the time, you can marinate the chicken for about 10 minutes before you start cooking. Okay. You don't have to add salt because the soy sauce has enough salt, more than enough. Okay, the water is getting hot. I'm going to add the cornstarch liquid, and you have to keep stirring this, otherwise it will become lumpy. See how the sauce is thickening? Cook it really well, so the cornstarch should be completely cooked. Some soy sauce. Oyster sauce also. This gives a nice flavor, and it has a kind of fishy smell to it. So if you guys don't like the fishy smell, you can skip this or you can add less. I'm going to turn the heat a little bit low. To this, I'm going to add some mashed garlic. This is optional. If you don't want to add, you don't have to. The homemade chili paste. This is according to your taste. This is Thai chili, so it's very spicy. You can always add whatever chili paste you have at home. So it's all ready. So I'm just going to leave it for a few minutes so the garlic can cook a little bit longer. So in the meantime, I'm going to stir fry the chicken. Then I'm going to crush the garlic. And cook the garlic. Make sure you don't burn it. Add the onion. See, when you go to Chinese restaurant, when you order food, you can see the onions, they are not fully cooked. Even vegetables also. They are like half cooked or less than half cooked, nice and crispy. So that's healthy. By half cooking the vegetable, we actually preserve the nutritional values of the vegetables and the vitamins as well. Now add the marinated chicken and cook it in real high heat. We don't have to cook the chicken for a long time. Just about 5 minutes in high heat, it should be done. Some red chillies. When chicken is done, you just cut it and see. Just press it. It's nice and white in color. It's all done. So now I'm going to add the asparagus. I'm going to add the asparagus. Asparagus will get mushy too fast. So just cook it for a minute and turn the stove off. Move the dish away from the heat. And now you add your sauce. Either you add it now or you add it just before you serve. If you don't like too much gravy, you don't even have to add the sauce. You can just eat it like this, and this will go very good with rice. Here is your spicy asparagus chicken. It's very delicious and very healthy. I hope you enjoy the show. Please share the video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Indian Cooking with Sugandhi. Please click the red button that says subscribe. And also click the bell button so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. And I will be back soon with another easy, delicious and healthy recipe. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.